Today we are going to discuss about 7th Zoology Unit 1 Health and Hygiene. What is health? Health refers to physical, emotional and psychological well-being of a person, and to maintain good hygiene, consume water, do exercise and take rest and have a sound sleep. These are a healthy habits. Then next chapter is hygiene. Hygiene is an proper maintaining of our good habits. One is two methods are given in your chapter. One is an personal hygiene, another one is an community hygiene. The personal hygiene is depends upon our body, how to take care of our body. Community hygiene is depend upon the surroundings, how to take care of the environmental activities. So, the first chapter is personal hygiene. How to care of our body every day, brush your teeth twice a day, wear clean clothes, washing hands and feet regularly, wash hair regularly, food covered with lid, take shower, then including hand washing is must. Next, the community hygiene. Community hygiene, what is community? A group of people living together in a particular area. How to take care of our community or surroundings? The surrounding must be kept clean. Domestic wastage separate properly and segregated into the dustbin. Drainage should be covered properly. These are three activities. Then proper usage of water. The next chapter is care of body. How to take care of our body? Three methods, three care of body are given in your chapter. One is an dental care, another one is an hair care, next one eye care. Dental care, dentition is an dental care is otherwise known as oral hygiene. We care of teeth every day. Every day you must brush your teeth twice a day. We cannot proper maintenance, we can cause some diseases are. One is an tooth decay, another one is an bleeding gums, next one is periodontitis. These are three diseases are causing teeth. Next, eye care. Eye is an important sense organ of our body. It is an main sense organ. The eyes are cause some diseases. Three diseases are given below in your chapter. One is an night blindness, next one conjunctivitis, next color blindness. Night blindness is caused lack of vitamin A deficiency. Conjunctivity is caused virus and bacteria. Color blindness is caused through the genetical disorder. What is genetical disorder? It's a hereditary disorder. Parental character is passing through the parents through the young ones. These are a hereditary character. Color blindness is an hereditary disease. Next topic is diseases. Disease is an functional or physical change from a normal state that affects the health of a person by causing disability or discomfort. Some following reasons or diseases are spreaded through one person to another. One is an infection caused by disease causing microbes. Another one is an lack of balanced diet. Next one, poor lifestyle and unhealthy habits. The diseases are classified into communicable diseases and non-communicable diseases. Communicable diseases is, these diseases are spread one person to another person through the virus or bacteria or the food or air and some insects or animal bite. Through the some diseases are spread. Then non-communicable diseases are cannot spread from one person to another person. First, you have to discuss about communicable disease. The disease caused by bacteria or virus. The first chapter is bacterial disease. The first one is tuberculosis. Tuberculosis is caused by a bacterial disease. The name is Mycobacterium tuberculosis. This disease spread through the air. Then weight loss, chronic cough is an symptoms of this tuberculosis. Then BCG vaccination should be prevent the tuberculosis. Once again, tuberculosis is caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis, is spread through the air. Then weight loss and chronic cough is an symptoms of this disease. BCG vaccine is an best treatment of tuberculosis. The next bacterial diseases are cholera. Cholera is caused by Vibrio cholera. It is an spread through the contaminated food and water. Vomiting and severe diarrhea is an symptoms of this disease. Then next diseases are, bacterial diseases are typhoid. Typhoid is causing agent is Salmonella typhi. This disease spread through the contaminated water and food. Then high fever and headache is an symptoms of this disease. Once again, 3 bacterial diseases are given in your chapter. The first one is tuberculosis, second one is cholera, third one is typhoid. The tuberculosis is caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Cholera is caused by Vibrio cholera. Typhoid is caused by Salmonella typhi. Next topic is caused by viral disease. The first one is hepatitis. Hepatitis is caused by hepatitis A, B, C, D, E and so on viruses. Then these diseases spread through the contaminated water. Then vomiting and loss of appetite is an symptoms of this disease. The vaccination is the best treatment of hepatitis. Next diseases are chicken pox. Chicken pox is caused by varicella zoster virus. These viruses are infected, spread through the infected person to another person. Then rashes of whole body, fever, these are symptoms of this chicken pox. Isolation of the patient to be control the chicken pox. The next chapter, non-communicable disease. Few diseases are given below in your chapter. Asthma, pellagra, night blindness, anemia. These are non-communicable diseases. The next chapter is first aid. The first aid is an immediate treatment given to the victim of trauma or sudden illness before medical help is made available. The first aid is to save the life, to prevent further bleeding and determine the condition of the patient, to relieve the pain, to provide medical care and available at the earliest. The first aid is given in a burns and cuts of wounds. Burns are affecting the skin. The skin cast. The first epidermis, then dermis, then inner tissues are damaged. Once the burns or affect the outer layer of the skin, you can pour with the water and usage of water and clean with the sterilized. Then apply the antiseptic cream. Next, cuts of wounds. Cuts of whenever a minor cut, the small surface thoroughly surrounded by a running with pure water, then apply a antiseptic cream. Okay students, we will see in a next class. Thank you.